In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the entrepreneurial formula. So what is this? It's a quick math to calculate possible returns on your idea. So first, the revenue. So think in terms of, okay, your idea, right? How many customers can you get in the next 3 months, 6 months? Okay, let's say 10,000 customers. How much would you want people to pay on an average basis? You know, what would be the average price for your product? Let's say it's $50. Right? So 50 multiplied by 10,000, that's $500,000, right? So your revenue would be of $500,000. Then your cost and your investment. So how much money do you need to get 10,000 customers? So it's going to be your cost of sales and marketing. How many salespeople you need? What's the cost of your e-commerce website? How much money will you put in paid ads and online marketing? Then add to this the cost to build and run your business. So how much, is it going to be your own salary as the CEO, founder? How many employees will you need? Administrators will you need? To be able to run, and accountants and so on. You need to run your business. So add that cost to it for the next 6 months. If your revenue for the next 6 months is 500,000. Deduct the cost and basically validate your assumptions. So it's really key that you check your assumptions. So it's easy to say I'm going to get 10,000 customers that are going to spend $50, but you need to validate that the assumption is correct. So go talk to customers and say, how much would you be willing to pay for my product, and try to validate that they say something around 50, because if they say 25, then it shrinks your revenue in two, right? So you need to validate that your customers will be willing to see to pay that price. So check the assumptions, and then you basically do your revenue minus your cost real quick. This is a rough estimate at the beginning of your project, and it tells you how much profit or yield you would have on that venture. And there's also the concept of return on investment. It's basically that concept that basically you want to have a return on investment. So you're going to invest so much money into launching your idea, creating your company, and then the company is going to take some value, a certain amount, and we can talk in a later video how you calculate the valuation of your company, and then it gives a certain valuation, and then your return on investment is how much money you invested and how much your company is worth at the end, and that's the return on investment.